Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Stuthi Aithal,
author of.
the Epic Story Mania.
So, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
This is my second book with Notion Press. I have written 15 short stories, which are the most important and a treasure trove for a connoisseur of literature. They are stories ranging from joy, compassion, adventure, thrill, and whatnot. So go on and read this book to take a joyride in the fantasy world.
Wow, your pitch is amazing. Yeah.
Thank you.
But how is it to come here to the world's largest book fair and have your book published here, right? It's something that very few people get to experience.
My parents wanted me to get motivated, so they brought me here so that I could represent my book in front of one of the most largest publications of India.
So tell me one thing, how did your friends react when you came out and published your book? Because nobody does that at your age, right?
So they were like, "What, Stuti? You wrote a book? I thought you were just you could just write English compositions in the exam and nothing
Right.
else."
And then you came up with a book. Yeah. Did your teachers appreciate you? Because even they wouldn't have published a book, right?
They appreciated me a lot, and the entire school authorities, they gave me a lot of encouragement.
Wow, that's wonderful. So how are your parents' reaction to you publishing a book? Like, how do they play a role?
I have dedicated this book to my mother because she always helps me. She always encourages me to write, and she always approves of my ideas and tells me of where should I improve and what should I do.
Wow, so such supportive parents. A shout out to the parents who made this happen. Thank you so much for coming here. You're an inspiration to a lot of people.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful book fair.
Thank you.
Congratulations on your book.